From my garden to the wok, stir-fry green beans with prawns and red peppers. Enjoy. It's pretty easy to grow green beans. It's one of the vegetables I'm growing in my container garden. I'm using 5-gallon buckets and other size buckets. In the future, I'll be explaining how to grow vegetables in containers. So part of the gardening series, I'm going to be doing some garden vegetables from the garden. So these are the green beans I picked from my container garden. So this is okay. You can actually pick a little younger. So when you get swelling like this, I'm going to use these green beans to get the seeds. So then we're going to replant it in the spring. So we're just going to give the green beans a quick parboil here. So just put the green beans in a strainer. We're going to rinse it in cold water to stop the cooking. Preheat a wok at medium heat. Then we're going to put in 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have peanut oil here. We're going to put a teaspoon of ginger, a teaspoon of garlic chopped. So here we have 8 to 10 prawns. Let that sear and then give it a quick stir fry. Put a touch of salt in there. So cook the prawns about 75%. And then take it off. So I'm going to put the onions down. Onions are aromatic too, so it brings up flavor when you sear it. Put a little more oil in there. The green beans, you can slow fry it, so that means you don't have to boil it. But I'm going to boil it for 5 minutes, so it speeds up the cooking time. So next add the red peppers for color. Put a tablespoon or 2 of light soy sauce. We're going to keep this very simple. Put a tablespoon of black bean sauce. So this is the brand that I use here, Become Key. So next, just put the prawns back in. So the final stir fry, and they're ready to take off the prawns and green beans. There you have it. From my garden to the wok, stir fry green beans with prawns and red peppers. Enjoy. There's nothing beats vegetables from your own garden. That's really crispy. The green beans are more dense than what you get from the supermarket. That's really crispy. That's good. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese Cooking Accessory Guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video. Please like and subscribe. Any comments are always welcome. Take care and stay safe.